All right, you came in this morning because you've got an irritated left eye.
That's correct.
You got a lot of redness around there. We can all see that. Now, you're okay if we video you for YouTube and all our friends on the internet?
Yeah, that's
You
fine.
sure that you're going to see your identity? You don't mind that?
I don't care.
You're a pretty cool guy. Listen, I don't think that you have an eye problem per se. I think it's irritating your eye, but I think you have a different condition. I want you to close your eyes really tightly for me. It's hard to close that left eye, isn't it?
Yeah, it still burns.
Still burns too. All right, I want you to smile as big as you can. That's not bad. All right, but puff out your cheeks with air and hold it. You got a leak. You got a leak there. Can you stick your tongue straight out? Not too bad. Okay. Well, the news I have for you is that this is not a primary eye problem. Your main problem is a condition that's underlying all of this called Bell's palsy. And Bell's palsy is an irritation of the fifth cranial nerve ganglion. There's a spot where those nerves all come together and then they branch out across your face. And as a result, you can't get your eyes shut properly, you can't hold air in your cheeks properly, and your eye is staying open at night and it's irritating it, and that's why it's bothering you.
Yeah, I got to peel it every morning before I go open it.
There you go. And that's why you came in with an irritated eye. So what we're going to do is I'm going to give you some drops for your eye, but I'll still send you over to the ophthalmologist to let them take a look at your cornea, because sometimes this can irritate the cornea, okay?
Okay, I have an implant.
Well, I still want you. I want the ophthalmologist to take a look, but I'm going to treat the Bell's palsy with a couple of medicines that'll help. All right. Okay. But otherwise, you should be fine.
Right.
All right. Any questions?
None that I know of.
You're awesome, Jack. Thanks for letting us video this. This is a really interesting case.
Hi, my name is Melissa, and I've been taking medicine for about 3 months right now. So far, I'm really loving this product. It's definitely helped me steer off of energy drinks, caffeine. That was my goal. I'm definitely trying to be a little bit more fit. So I would definitely recommend this product on Amazon. So catch me in the next 3 months, see how's it going. But so far, I'm loving this product.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.